Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony X. Oh, how are you guys doing today? So today we're going to be trying out the Sephora favorites. And this is actually, they usually do the Sephora favorites for holiday time. And this one is called the Next Big Thing. It is $39 US, $47 Canada, and it's a retail value of $95, which I'm not really sure about that, but there is supposed to be 2 full-size products in the box. So the full-size products are the blush right here, which I'm sorry, I always pronounce that name wrong, so I'm not even gonna try. And then the Melt lipstick is also a full size. So those are the 2 full size. Everything else is mini. And I already did my brows just to save time. So basically we're just gonna play with those makeup items today, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about them. And yeah, let's just get started. So first thing in here is this Milk Makeup. It is a cooling water is what it is, and it's a mini. And if you don't know what this is, which I didn't know what it was, so I definitely had to look it up. It's supposed to be for like, let's see if it has a smell. It doesn't have a smell. Ooh, it feels nice. It feels very cooling to the touch. So basically, if you have like a late night, it's supposed to depuff your under eyes, or depuff, you know, the skin. So I am going to use it to depuff my under eyes. I was up a little late last night. It feels really cooling on the skin, and I do like Milk Makeup. So I'm just gonna tap that up under my eyes. If you guys watch my channel, you know last week was a really bad week for me, and I did a lot of crying last week, so my eyes were super puffy. So this would have been really great for me. But I don't know if you can tell, but like I said, I was up really late last night, and I did put this on for the puffiness. All right, so next product I want to tap into is a Versali product, which I love my Versali Rose Gold Setting Spray. I really love that one. This one is supposed to be the Versali Liquid Glass. Definitely a mini, because these are very, Versali is very expensive. Now, I looked online. It's supposed to make your skin look kind of like glass. So I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like, and a little nervous because I have combo skin. I don't have dry skin, so I'm not really sure what to expect with this. So we're going to put this on the skin. Really nervous. Should I do it like the Instagram models? Oh, maybe that's not a good idea, but we're gonna try it. Okay, there we go. All right, so I dribbled that all over my face. Now we're just gonna rub it in. Ooh, feels nice. It really does feel nice. Both of these products feel like really cooling. I don't know, they feel really good on the skin, which I was a little worried because I do have combo skin. I do like that. It does have a little bit of a tacky feel to it, so I'm pretty sure your foundation would really stick to this. But I kind of like this. What do you guys think? I think it's called the Kaja. Maybe I'm saying that right. I always feel like I'm saying it wrong, and I feel like an idiot, but so basically, to me, the applicator looks kind of gimmicky, and I'm not going to use it. It's like, basically, what do you call these things? My mind's blank. But you're going to press this into the blush and stamp it on your cheek. I'm not going to do that today. I'm actually going to try something different. It does have a little, what color is this, first of all? 04 Feisty, I believe is what it says. So it's just like, it reminds me of like a cushion foundation or something like that, a cushion bronzer, a cushion foundation. So it's basically a cushion blush. So we're going to try it with, not an actual beauty blender, but I'm going to try it with my Dose of Colors sponge, which is really, really soft and squishy. And I love this thing, so we're gonna try it with that. I'm a little nervous because it's kind of gonna be awkward, but we're gonna see what we can do. I did go ahead and bronze my face, contour my face. You know, I put my foundation on, my concealer on, my brows on. So I went ahead and did some of the stuff. I'm trying to figure out which way would be the best way to apply this. I feel like it's kind of big, but we're gonna try it anyway. All right, so I'm gonna make my little That's very pretty, actually. I'm surprised. I really like the way that looks. It just makes you look really healthy. When you have like a cream blush, I don't know what it is about cream blushes that makes you look so healthy. But sorry, my hair's really dirty today, so excuse that. But we're gonna go ahead and go on this side and do the same thing. I'm tapping a little bit off my hand just in case I got a little crazy with it. And you can also go over it with powder if you feel like you got a little too heavy-handed with it, which with blush, you know, I love blush, so I don't mind looking like a clown, but I think it looks pretty. But you definitely can go in with like your beauty blender or whatever sponge you're using and kind of dab a little bit of powder. Now I do have the Natasha Denona little palette. I looked online to try to see what this is. From what I understand, it's just basically a highlighter. This one right here is pigmented, so I think I would kind of go over a little bit on my cheeks with this pink, if you can see that. Go in with my highlighting brush. Looks pretty subtle to me. I don't know if that's picking up. Let me try the one that I can't seem to pick up on my finger. Ooh, well, okay, you can pick that up with a brush better than you can with your fingers. So I do like it with a brush. It's a little on the glittery side, honestly, but I can tone that down. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Very pretty. I'm surprised. Okay, so I'm going to take the Natasha Denona palette and I'm just going to go in with this really tiny brush, and I'm just going to go right up under the brow bone with this like shimmer. So this is the Violet Voss in Dream. Again, this is like just like what I love, kind of like in the Stealing Glows. Just very, very beautiful to put on the lid. We're going to probably use that today. I also have a Milk full-size lipstick. The Kajar blush and the full-size and the Melt lipstick are both the full-size products in here. So this is the color. It's like a nude color. It's in, I think it's called Old Rose is what it's called. I'll swatch it for you guys, but I'm going to put this on my lips in a minute. So there's the Violet Voss, there's the Milk lipstick, and then the Artist Couture, like I said, is a glitter. So I don't really know if this would go, like I said, on the lid or as a highlight, but it's very chunky, so I assume it would go on the lid. It's really beautiful though. Look at that. I guess you could put it as a highlight. It would just be super intense. Anyway, that's what that is. Just in case I don't use this particular product today, I just wanted to show you that. So we're going to use this. I'm going to use a brush with it. It does kind of dry down, so you probably want to work a little bit quick with it. Wow, that is very pigmented. Okay guys, I just got through finishing up my eye makeup. So we're going to finish up with lips, and then I'm going to tell you how I feel about this little set here. So we're gonna use the Melt. Make sure, okay, yeah, Old Rose is the name of the color. And we're gonna use this Melt lipstick. This is a full-size Melt lipstick. I am gonna use a lip liner to blend this in. Sometimes I do lip liner last, sometimes I do it first. But I want to darken this lip a little bit because I don't like it this pale on me. I like the color mixed in with a lip with like a darker lip liner. Even the color Chestnut from MAC I think would be really pretty with this. Okay guys, let's talk about this. When I first hauled this the other day, I guess it was yesterday. No, by the time you see this, it'll be Thursday. So I hauled this on Monday. So Monday when I hauled this, I was not impressed. Like I told you guys, my Natasha Denona palette the shimmer came broken. That's my luck. And I didn't really know what a lot of these products were. So I was just like, wasn't too sure. It was a really good value though. It's $39 US. $47 Canada, and it's a retail value of $95. I'm not sure about how much the full-size products cost individually, but you can buy this one at Sephora for $19. This right here, like I said, I'll have to check the prices on the two full-size. I'm not sure, and these are minis. But overall, I really, really, really do like this box. If I had to tell you my favorite product in this whole box, like, it's definitely the cream blush. I love this blush, you guys. I don't really care about, I'm trying to get it out. I don't care about this part right here. I think it's really gimmicky, and I don't know, I think it would be kind of obnoxious to use. But the blush, the cushion blush is gorgeous. I love it. When I put it on with my sponge, it just blended out like a dream. If you get too much on your cheeks, you can powder it. This is definitely my favorite product in the box. I will definitely be using this a lot. I don't know, I just really like this a whole lot. It's just that's the type of blushes that I like pigmented pink, like someone's just like pinched my cheeks. It makes me feel youthful, and since it is a cream blush, I feel like it really does make me feel youthful and make me look youthful. So the Kajah cream blush is definitely my favorite product in this box. After all, in doing a review on this, I would have to say I would 100% recommend picking this up. I do love it. I think it's a great product. For $39, you get so many good things to try. So I'm glad I picked it up. I just want to say, if you like this new idea, this new video style, where on Thursdays I go over new products with you, I test them out, or I show them to you, tell you what I think. If you like that idea and you're happy with this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. It lets me know that you want to see more of my Thursday we're going to call it Thursday new products is what we're going to call it. And like I said, it'll be every Thursday. I will show you something new and we'll play with it or try it on or whatever the case may be. So if you like that and you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Hit that subscribe button and join the Lashes Tony XO fam. We would love to have you. We do have our Girl Talk live chats on Wednesday, which is fun, and we do our weekly giveaways on Saturday, which is fun. And don't forget, on Mondays I will start doing a get ready with me using my Shop My Stash products as well, and we'll do a little chatty time and I'll just tell you what's going on in my life and stuff like that. If you're excited about these videos, upcoming new schedule, let me know in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of these products. Do you have any of these, and do you think you would want to pick it up? Do you think it's worth $39? Let me know what you think. I think it is worth the $39. I really like it. I like everything. Okay guys, I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you next time.